Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for Amazon jobs online. This is a great option if you're looking for flexible work, extra income, or a more stable role with a large company. So first and foremost, you want to go to amazon.jobs, and that should immediately bring you to this site, which is Amazon's official hiring platform where all legitimate job listings are posted. Now you can choose between student opportunities or hourly jobs, so forth, and I'm going to choose hourly jobs. This is where you'll typically find warehouse, fulfillment center, and delivery-related roles that don't require prior experience. Now you'll notice the sign-in option on the top right. Click on that so you can access or create your account. Now we have two options. We can either log in with our Amazon, Google, Apple, or LinkedIn, which is the fastest route if you already use one of those services, or we can create an amazon.jobs account. So just put in your email, a new password, and then confirm said password. Or again, log in with the other options. Choose whichever method is easiest for you, but make sure you use an email you check regularly for application updates. Alright, now before you apply for anything, make sure to edit your profile. This step is really important because your profile information is what Amazon uses to evaluate your application. So let's click on Edit Profile. And now you can click over here to add your resume, and that'll fill in all the information on the rest of the form using your resume, which can save you a lot of time and reduce errors. Alternatively, what you can do is click on Edit Profile on the top right, and here you'll be able to manually fill in all the information, such as your work history, availability, and basic details, and then hit Save Profile at the bottom. This option is useful if you don't have a resume or prefer to enter everything yourself. So when you're done there, we can click on Hourly Jobs again. Now we can scroll down to look for the specific area and the specific jobs we are looking for, and that will bring you to the Job Overview screen. This is where you can narrow things down based on location, role type, or shift availability. So let's click on Search Warehouse Jobs Near Me, and here you can see all the job options. I don't have my location on, so it's not like I'm going to actually apply for these. I just want to get you in the correct lanes and show you how the process works from start to finish. So we can choose any one of these options, and here we can see the pay rate, sign-on bonus, the address, and so forth. This makes it easy to compare roles and decide which one fits your needs best. If we scroll down, we can get job overviews and duties, which give you a clearer idea of what the day-to-day work looks like. But when we're ready, just click on Select Schedule. And now we can choose between any of the available schedules here, which is helpful if you're balancing other commitments like running a Shopify store or another job. Then just hit Apply, and now they are going to want you to log in. As I mentioned earlier, I'm not actually going to apply, so I'm not going to complete the last step here. But from this point on, you would just follow the on-screen instructions. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next video.